To all of you who's eager in investing their money into Bitcoin or has just heard about it and has the big bothering question, where the heck do I buy it? With this tutorial, I'll show you how it's done. You wanna follow the link in the description first, and then go to register on the top right corner like this. So, why bitcoin.de? Especially if you live in Europe or just want to buy bitcoins on a serious and legal marketplace. This place offers you the opportunity because it's registered in Germany and not somewhere on the Philippines or the United Arab Emirates or other common offshores where you won't be able to achieve any legal actions. But this is only my personal view, so don't judge me, okay? Anyway, this following step requires you to choose a username. Choose one that you can remember easily. Then you write down your email address. Then you check this box that you're not a robot. And you choose the next 5 boxes, like this. And I know that you'll read all those policies. Of course you'll do. Then you click register. If you are successful, this is what will appear. It asks you to go to your email and check for a link, which you have to click. The email will look like this. You click on this link. Write down your username and your password. This is what the email will look like. Now copy the tongue and paste it right here. Log in. Well done. This is the page that will appear. Here they ask you to verify your bank account and your mobile number. If you verified your mobile number and bank account successfully, there should be check marks instead of those crosses. Without these steps being finished, you won't be able to trade on bitcoin.de. So this is very important. If you were successful with those 2 steps, the next thing to do is to set the 2-factor authentication and to choose between the following 4 options. In my case, I don't rely on the Google Authenticator or other apps. Therefore, I've taken the password table as an example. However, everyone should do what he finds to be most handy. Congrats, you managed to secure your account. Now, please be very careful and cautious with your data and don't give it to third parties. Now, the next time you log in, you'll be asked to enter your username and password, and after that, one of those options that you'll choose for authentication will have to be used to access your account. Okay, when will we buy our first bitcoins, you ask? Wait a second, there is one more thing you have to know. Bitcoin.de has a specific trust level system. Starting with bronze level, you're limited on trading volumes bigger than 5,000 euros at once. But with only 5 positively rated trades by other users, you rise to silver, where you'll be able to trade volumes to 25,000 euros at once. You'll learn more about that when you click on Show All Ratings in the My Ratings field that's located to the right of the Login History field, right here. Now that you learn about that, let's buy our first bitcoins. Go to Marketplace. Here. As you see, we are already at the marketplace. If you aren't here already, then click on Marketplace. First, we must take a look on some parts of the user interface. Now, what's the field number of bitcoins and purchase price for? This is a specific search. As you see, it's hard to find something that equals your request specifically. So we leave that be and just use the normal boy bar. The sellers offer the bitcoins to different conditions. That means if you're not a client of the fidor bank, you won't be able to use the express trading feature and won't see the corresponding offers if you select the filter option, of which I fulfill the requirements, or with payments handling via SEPA transaction. Here you can pick a random offer. I want to buy in bitcoins equal to the price of 100 euros. I'm gonna pick this offer with the rate of 1 bitcoin equals 22,256 euros. Now we look if there is a minimal amount and which amount he sells in a minimal. You'll find it here. We click on buy. On this page we look for that field and write down the amount that will equal 100 euro. It's very important to know how the decimals are written in your country. An example, in England or America they write a dot, but in Germany they write a comma. So don't get confused at this point. Be confident in your actions first before clicking buy now, because you've got about 59 minutes to confirm your payment afterwards. Otherwise, the transaction will be cancelled and you'll receive a negative rating. So be serious with your intentions and don't cause harm to others by robbing the seller's potential income because the amount you chose was reserved especially for you. In this field, you'll also be able to see the exact amount of Bitcoin that you'll receive to your Bitcoin DE wallet after the seller receives his money. After successfully sending the payment, you have to click Mark as paid. If you accidentally close this page, you'll retrieve the needed information via going to My Bitcoin DE and My Purchases. After you click on Mark as paid, the seller also has some time to wait and check whether the money got to his bank account, and he will also have to confirm that. If this step was successful and he confirmed, you'll receive the corresponding amount of Bitcoin to your wallet. If not, neither of you will receive anything. I hope this video was helpful for you as it was fun for me making it. If you liked it, leave a like and share. If you didn't, ask Elon Musk if he's willing to donate you some Bitcoin on his social media. See you soon on the moon!